Hi guys, let's learn how to make your Blogger image and Blogger video responsive. This is fun and easy. Okay, let's view my blog. You can see here my immediate video is overlapping to the right sidebar. Right here my image is too big and oversized. So we are going to fix this. Go to theme, then click here on these three dots drop down menu and go to edit HTML. Now left click inside this HTML code and press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. You can type here /b:\skin and hit enter on your keyboard. Now just above this code we are going to paste this code. This is not required here. Let's delete this. We have here responsive code for post body iframe and post body image. Both of them have 100% width, and for display we have block. Just copy the code and paste here. Save your theme. Okay, now let's reload this page. We have successfully matched the Blogger image and Blogger video responsive. That's it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Chogyal. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.